So hey guys, so some time ago I came back from college, and after that I had a meal and directly I could sleep because I was getting so much sleep, and now also I'm getting so much sleep, but it's time to go for the tuition. So okay, now it's too late for going for tuition. So now first of all I'm going to have freshen up, and after that I'll ready, and then I'll go to the tuition. So let's go now. So guys, I just came back from tuition. So now first of all I am getting freshen up, and after that I'll complete my regular task. So much tasks are pending, so I want to complete them. And guys, today's paper was so good, but not scoring much more. But whatever I have learned, I have written there. So now, uh, and when I get back from college, I had some work, so I finished them, and I am getting too much late to come to home. So okay, so now I just came back from, and then I when I came in this room, so I see there that my question paper is sorry, test paper is so much spread here. So I don't know who did this, but it can possible through fan, but if fan will do this, so that spread overall the room, but it's done by anyone. So it can done that the two. So my um, neighbors girl, she's 3 years old girl. So she did it, I think. So okay, now I'm going to freshen up, and guys, I have to complete my oral task, and also I have to plan for today that how I was lost my 5 months, and I don't want to lose in next 7 months. And today is the June 1st, so from today I want to complete my regular task as well as studies. And guys, I want to prepare my one most hardest exam in India, so that I want to crack and also improve my oral task, and also improve my blogging skills, because every day I share my regular routine, but I can't make another and outside view. So if possible I'll do from tomorrow. And also guys, I told that if possible I'll do it from tomorrow, but I never do this. So okay, now I'm going to freshen up. I'm going to freshen up. Let's. So guys, I just did meditation. So now I am going to have meal, and whatever I have task before having meal, I'll complete my remaining task, and I'll plan for the tomorrow. So what I want to do for tomorrow, and now I'll busy for the whole day, and whatever whatever I think, and if I'm tired, then I'll do also my complete my schedule and regular task. So now I'll not give excuse for the uh, any of the task, because I just 7 months. So in the 7 months I want to complete my overall task, and also improve my English speaking, because when I speak English at that time, my vocabulary is missing there, and that's why I can't introduce my express my English properly. So that's why I have to improve it. So okay, now I'm going to have meal first. So let's. So guys, sometime ago I did have meal, and after that I went for the walk, and then I took a rest for outside, and just now I came back from outside. So when I came back here, so getting so much warm, because there is no cooler in this room, and cooler is in that room. So when I go for sleep, I go that in that room. But when I wake up early in the morning, so I sleep here. So okay, so today's task I have completed, but not completed my vocabulary. So I don't know why, but my mind is not divert for vocabulary. I so okay, so now and also guys, I am getting so much sleep, because yesterday I sleep at 2, and wake up early in the morning. Also, I did not sleep in day properly, so I took sleep just for half an hour. So that's why. So okay, I'll learn one questions and then after that I'll sleep, because if I'm not doing study, so because tomorrow also when I came back from tuition, at that time I can't s- study directly. So when I get from there, I directly sleep, and that's why. Okay, so now I'm going to do study. So that's it for today's blog. Okay, we'll meet another one. Bye bye.